cutting and stirring. These machines, which are quite have sharp rollers on them. They cut, turn, and turn the process in them. After the CTC, the tea enters the Ooty, which imparts heaviness to the tea while the tea rubs on its surface while passing through it. The tea then enters the oxidation area, where it is collected in stainless steel trays and allowed to remain there for almost during oxidation drying, using hot air produced by a heater. Heat drying takes almost 16 minutes. After the tea is dried, it assumes a black color as seen in the market. The last three stages are cleaning, graining, and packing. The fiber in the tea, which comes from the leaf stalk, is removed in the fiber mat. The tea is converted to labeled quality size in tea, which is highly recommended for reducing cholesterol and lowering BP is also available. White tea is made from the buds of the tea, which is also available. You can now go down to the manufacturing area and see the machines. You will also taste the tea and buy teas you like from the sales counter. Thank you. doddabetta tene തൊഴിലാളി ഇവരെ വന്നിരിക്കുന്നു. These machines, which are 5 in number, have sharp rollers on them. They cut, turn, and curl the leaf while the process through them. After the CTC, the leaf enters the Ooty, which imparts heaviness to the tea when the tea rubs on its surface while passing through it. The tea then enters the oxidation area, where it is collected in stainless steel trays and allowed to remain there for almost during oxidation. The enzymes in the tea react with oxygen in the atmosphere and changes in color and smell stages. The green colored tea assumes a copper red color and a bright blue smell over the walls. After these changes, the tea is developed. In the while the tea is dried, using hot air to produce the tea, tea drying takes almost 16 minutes. After the tea is dried, it assumes a black color. The last three stages are cleaning,